Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of agriculture and farming. In today's video, we are going to learn and know about precision livestock farming. It is an innovative approach to animal husbandry that uses technology to monitor animal health and behavior, improve productivity, and enhance the animal welfare. As the world becomes increasingly concerned with animal welfare and the sustainable food production, precision livestock farming has become a crucial aspect of modern agriculture. Precision livestock farming. It involves the use of technology such as the sensors and cameras to monitor the animal behavior and health. By using these technology, we can able to predict the behavior of animal or it have any illness in it. This technology can track the movement and behavior of individual animals, monitor the feeding and drinking water behavior, and detect early signs of illness or the injury. This information is then used to improve animal welfare and the productivity. One of the significant advantages of precision livestock farming is that it allows the farmers to provide individualized care for each animal. By monitoring each animal's behavior and health, farmers can identify any issues early and take appropriate action to ensure that the animal's welfare. This not only improves the animal welfare but also reduces the need for antibiotics and other medical treatments, which is better for the animal and the environment. Precision livestock farming also improves productivity by optimizing the feeding and breeding programs. By monitoring feeding and drinking behavior, farmers can adjust feed rations to meet the specific need of each animal, reducing waste and improving the productivity. Precision breeding programs can also be used to enhance the animal genetics, producing animals that are more resistant to disease and have a better meat quality. In conclusion, precision livestock farming and animal welfare are transforming the way we produce animal products by using the technologies to improve the animal health and welfare while also enhancing the productivity. This approach to animal husbandry allows the farmers to provide individualized care for each animal, reducing the need for medical treatments and antibiotics. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the more interesting videos on agriculture sector. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.